All right, so if you've ever been looking or wanting to find ramps during the off season, here's what I would caution you with. A lot of people don't like it if you pull up ramp bulbs because then the plant can't continue to seed after that and continue to spread, and there is a risk of over harvesting. Now, in the area that I'm in here, there are hundreds of thousands of ramps. It's literally like a mile of just ramps everywhere. Okay, so it's not going to hurt it to pick it, but this is what it looks like after the leaves have fallen down. When the stalk starts to come up and the flowers will bloom, and then the seeds from there, and you can still eat the bulb that's underground. So let me show you. All right, my daughter has one right there holding it from the roots, but you can see right here in the area where you find ramps in the springs, you'll see these little bulbs starting to pop off. Now, if you really want to be able to get these efficiently, then what you do is bring a shovel and kind of trowel around there. But I can look down here and look and see some that have been bitten off, and they're right here. So they've got the root system on the bottom like you would find from before. The biggest way to tell if you've got ramps is to smell it. If it smells like onion and garlic, that's what you have. Okay, so go to your normal ramp spots if they're in abundance. Don't harvest a lot, but grab a couple, make a jar of pickles or something like that, assuming that you're not harvesting more than 5% of the population. I could harvest 1,000 and not do 5% from this. Harvest sustainably and be responsible. Thanks, guys. Enjoy.